Previously on Onboard Lifestyle. Over the past month, Basik has been on a passage that started in Shelter Bay to Buenaventura, Panama, then north 638 nautical miles to Georgetown in the Grand Cayman Islands, west 349 nautical miles to Isla Mujeres, Mexico, then 733 nautical miles northwest to Kima, Texas. This was a significant achievement for the short-handed crew that was riddled with obstacles along the way. Let's pick up our story as Basik is now in a quiet place, and the tired and hungry crew is just moments away from passing out.
So no joke, we've been here all of 15 minutes, boat's tied up. I just took a quick shower, and Lynn has her priorities straight. She has ordered one of my favorite meals, because there'll be no cooking tonight, just eating.
Bad food!
That's right.
Popeyes, fried chicken. You said you wanted fried chicken, you haven't stopped talking about it.
Grab some fried chicken.
Yeah, I'm like been craving some fried chicken. So, there you go.
I love it.
And it was delivered, okay? So it was the sweetest family. They had never seen a boat before, and the DoorDash guy had his sons with him, and they wanted to come down and kind of check it out. But anyways, they brought us food. So,
Enough
yay!
talk, let's eat.
I know, right?
The rest of the evening was a blur. We enjoyed our Popeyes fried chicken and with heavy eyelids crashed early to get some much needed rest. Meanwhile, Lynn has been going crazy in her galley here.
It is officially our first day back. We had a good night's sleep. I'm celebrating. I got to go to the market, get fresh. Look at this. Fresh fruit. I whipped up some whipped cream this morning. I had to do another set of bacon because somehow it disappeared. But the only thing that's missing, obviously, is having the full crew back. Hello? Oh yeah, the whole crew is back. Right here. Look it, there's Emma.
Yay, Emma!
And Compass.
On cue.
While we were gone.
Yeah, I missed you guys a lot. That's what I missed, you know.
Us or
Yeah.
bacon?
We both. No, I missed you guys a lot. And I missed the wonderful cooking.
Yep. Lots to get caught up on, but it's nice to have everybody back together. And it's nice to cook for more than one person. Okay, so first off, it is so nice to be back on board with the entire crew, Compass as well. I think that he missed the boat, for sure. And even though we're here and we're just kind of getting settled, we really have to now get back to work again because this place is going to be torn apart. Needs a lot of TLC. Emma is helping. She and I are going to be going through everything in this boat, getting rid of clothes, just kind of getting a grip, an inventory of the things that we have, the things that we don't need, the things that have deteriorated.
Yes, decluttering and getting rid of a lot of stuff, for sure.
Yeah, so is it nice to be back on board then?
Yeah, it is. Nice to be back with the whole crew on Basik.
Compass, what do you think? he obviously had to do an inventory of everything. I know that you've been running around like a crazy madman.
It's hot here, but it's a different hot.
It's hot.
It is hot.
It is hot, and so...
Maybe air conditioning this go around.
Oh, for sure. We're gonna make room for it this time.
Okay.
And I know that you're kind of overwhelmed right now because we got a lot of stuff to do. You just gotta start choosing.
Yeah, this is good. I know. We just have to do this. We have to get all this chaos organized and get me a nice, clean slate to work with. So I think you're doing good. Just keep doing what you're doing. Organize, get this boat cleaned up and empty, and I'll go crazy.
Yeah, but you also have a lot of electrical to do too.
I know.
I mean, just really kind of...
Yeah, I know. It's where to start, for sure. We're going to have to go through, get our priorities straight. I know the electrical's on the back of all of our minds because we just had this huge electrical issue. And that's going to be kind of one of the first projects. We've got parts that we ordered while we were en route. They're here now, so we'll start putting things in and get this electrical 100%. Well, it is kind of 100%. It's working. Everything seems to be working, but not perfectly. So we need to get it back to perfect.
Yeah. So weird. It doesn't feel like Emma was gone for that
I know.
long, but she was.
Do you think she grew?
No, I think she got shorter. I got taller.
Yeah. Okay.
No, it'll be a good kind of a break, I guess, a little break from cruising to kind of
Get resituated.
yeah, get everything back to in working order. And
Yes. Basik needs a little love, and this is the perfect
she needs
opportunity.
a lot of love.
Yeah, this is the perfect opportunity to get some stuff done.
And just like that, we're at the house. We're going to be bouncing back and forth quite a bit as we're juggling this new adjusted lifestyle. It's gonna be something to get used to, but you know, it's gonna work. We'll make this work. We had to rush back here because Emma has an event at school tonight, and we're very proud, and we made sure that we made it here to Texas just in the nick of time.
This has been such a journey to get back to her, and by the skin of our teeth, because she has her last concert tomorrow. And
We told her, we promised we'd make it.
Almost a month ago, thinking, oh, it's gonna be like maybe 2.5 weeks, pending weather, but man, one thing after another has just driven that timeline way out.
In fact, girl, you ready? Oh, there's gonna be a lot of change, but there's one thing that never does change. And I guess I'm not allowed to talk about it. Come on, people. We're gonna be late.
Okay, hold on. We're ready.
Okay, let's
Plenty of time for it. Yeah.
let's go.
Oh, I forgot my purse.
Please welcome our concert master to the stage.
Please help me welcome the concert master of Symphony Orchestra, Emma Gobin.
So this is our new normal, heading to Basik out here, and
Commuting to the boat.
commuting. It's so weird to have to commute. We're doing a little bit of like a part-time on the boat, part-time
With
in
Emma.
town with Emma. She's actually not even with us right now because she's doing some volunteer work at the local food bank. So we have Compass, and we have our projects, and
Off to the boat for a couple of days.
it's kind of nice. I look forward to it. I wish we could spend more time here, but at the same time, we still don't have AC yet, so it's pretty hot.
Oh, we're getting used to it.
We are?
Okay, no, we're not, but we're dealing with it.
We're dealing with it. So yes, Compass does not even know. He's usually really excited the first day until he starts realizing that there's no cool-off period. And then that's when he starts kind of whimpering to go home, back to the car, to get
Yes.
to the AC.
The way I look at it is, I mean, we're going to blink our eyes, and this whole Texas thing is going to be behind us. I mean, literally, it's not going to be that long.
I know, it's not. I mean, really, we have so much to do in regards to upgrades and just kind of a lot of TLC on Basik that it's going to
go by
in a quick.
And,
Yeah.
and same with Emma. Emma's, I mean, we're going to blink our eyes and her school year's done and she's on to the next thing. And
Yeah.
we're going to be, okay, what next?
I mean,
Obviously.
we will officially be empty nesters in less than a year. So it's kind of, it's depressing and it's exciting for Emma, but it's depressing for us. I mean, we really don't want to be complete empty nesters, but that's just the reality of life.
I know. You look at weekends like this where she's busy and we're off to the boat. Yeah, it's different.
Okay,
but
no more.
I know.
Our time is limited, but we're gonna make the best of the situation and kind of do what we need to do.
I guess.
And Compass is just along for the ride. He's
Compass doesn't care.
as long as he gets to come along.
That's right.
Or some adventure. Alright, we're going to talk about another casualty that happened before we found the grounding issue, and that is our water maker. We made water in the Grand Caymans. And that's when we realized that there was an issue with the power cord, hence the grounding issue. Or maybe it's the other way around, I don't know. Anyways,
Yeah.
So Teal did a temporary fix, and now he's going to make that temporary fix more permanent.
Yeah, it was kind of interesting. We made water in Buenaventura, and the power cord and the startup was a little rough. I remember starting this and I'm like, wow, that kind of lagged a bit, and the power cord was getting warm. We made water, went to Grand Caymans, and before we fixed our grounding, we made water again, and the power cord got so hot that it melted it. And what I did was just put a temporary on there just to make water that day and get us back.
That.
What? You don't look too close. This was just a temporary. It's all I had. I had an old extension cord.
I know.
But what I'm going to do is do the right thing. This gauge this was a little small. We got the right gauge. I got a new power cord. I'm going to tear it all out and wire it back to the source here, and we should be good to go. I need to, because this is time to we need to pickle this. Now that we're sitting in a marina for a little bit, we want to make sure that we salvage this membrane. So let's get this cord in here and pickle this unit.
Oh, look at that. This baby has made quite a few gallons.
Yes, it has. It's been a workhorse for us for sure.
Actually, I still love it though, even though it's a pain in the butt. Maybe you can hardwire it.
Well, that is in the future. Put this in, rather than having a modular mobile unit, we're gonna have a modular built-in unit. That's probably something that will happen. You're right. So that's my project for this morning.
Gosh, I feel like we keep finding all these little issues. Hopefully.
Well, when you have no ground in your system, this is what happens. You have some problems. So I'll take some notes on what all of these wires mean, and we'll go from there. screw left. One hole left. I guess that's a good thing that everything lines up. Okay, we are good to go. I will set this up now. I'll get our pickling chemical in a bucket, put some RO water in there, and get this all set up, and we'll test fire it, make sure it works.
Fingers crossed.
I think it'll work. But fingers crossed, yes.
Compass.
Okay, here you go.
Hey, this is not Kirkland purified water.
No, we actually saved some RO water just for pickling. 2.5 gallons. Okay, I have the hose is connected. We have our bucket plugged in. And let's see if this works. Now I'm nervous. Okay, Compass, you ready? Okay, I'm happy with that. I feel good. Now I can put this all away and do this all again in a couple more months.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of Onboard Lifestyle. A special thanks goes out to our amazing patrons whose generous support drives the production of our videos. Join our crew if you can. With Basik in a good place and me in a great place, these next few months will be anything but boring. Finding a good balance between life on the water and life on land will definitely keep our crew busy. So, come back next week as we get back into our roots and settle into full project mode. See you then!